How can you fix the Google Meet no audio problem? Let me show you all of the possible options on your iPad, and if you're new here, subscribe so you never miss anything. So if you are joined in your Google Meet session talking to other people, there are more audio problems which might occur. First of all, if they cannot hear you, just make sure the microphone in here is not like red. So in that case, you have to just uncheck it and make sure that the microphone is active and that the other people can actually hear you. Outside of that, you can also check out your settings for the Google Meet, like literally in the main settings app. You can tap on apps at the bottom, look up the Meet application right here, and you want to just make sure that the microphone is accessible by the app, that it is allowed to be used within this application, because if not, then it's obviously going to be an issue for it. Then, of course, other than that, if you cannot hear them, like the other people talking to you, then you also have the mute button or sound icon in the top right of your iPad screen. And also it opens up the controller for the volume. So perhaps you are connected to AirPods or, not using the iPad's built-in speaker or whatever, but that's how you can control it. So this could potentially fix it. And one more thing is, when you are sharing your screen with someone else, you also get the audio option, and you in here get to decide whether you also want to share your device's audio. That is, if you want to share like a video or whatever from your gallery, and you decide if you want to also share the audio as well. Now, if any of these things were helpful, hit the thumbs up and let me know about it. And if you still kind of have like a problem, it's possible that you need to update your Meet app inside of the App Store. So you're going to check it out and literally look it up inside of the App Store and click on the update button if it's available right there. So let me know what's going on in your case. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe for more, and I'll talk to you later in the upcoming videos as well.